They don't make cars like that anymore. They could not make them like that anymore.
These are the words of someone who loves India's motoring heritage and has been a part of Ahmedabad's vintage car landscape for years. As Dastan Auto World turns 25, the Vintage Car Museum is holding a film screening festival where the best of storytelling meets the best of engineering history. But before we dive in, we asked the showrunners, the owners, and the organizers how the museum came into existence, and the story is very Indian at its heart.
My father, Sri Pranlal Bhogilal, started this collection when he was very young, and not only he was not the only one he started it. My grandfather also used to collect, and he of course added a lot of more cars, and that's how this collection came about. And he was the one thing that he did was that he prevented the cars from being exported out of the country. Just to make sure that the heritage, just to make sure that the history, just to make sure that these cars remain within the country and they don't go out of the country. So, in spite of having one of the largest collections, he did this when, had he agreed to that or had he let that happen, we would have benefited in a big way had the cars gone abroad and been auctioned there or sold there. But he made sure that that doesn't happen and the heritage remains in India and is preserved in India.
From February 27th to March 1st, the venue will screen movies that feature automobiles as a lead, from classics like The Italian Job to modern masterpieces like F1. For the museum, this was a great way to introduce heritage to the younger generation like never before.
It's the first time that any museum has done this world over, right? World over, where they've combined cars and cinema together.
When we speak about the future of Dastan Auto World, and then after completing 25 years, our whole aim is that for the future generations, we want these beautiful pieces of art to come alive and appeal to the youth. One of the mediums of them coming alive are through cinema, where you see on the big screen a legendary car, and if that car is there with you at the museum, then it's a very unique opportunity to celebrate that particular make automobile, and let the younger generation see it come to life. That was the idea of celebrating cars and cinema.
It's a great chance for both car and cinema lovers to enjoy their favorite things together.
So we've selected such movies where the cars are part of our collection, and that can be viewed by the people who attend this particular screenings. And we've kept them in such a way that it's in a joyful atmosphere with good music, food, and you see your cars come alive on the screen. So it could be a very special screening, as unlike going to a theater or watching on your handheld device. So on this note, it is very important that firstly we are trying to connect with the youth. We are showing them the golden era of automobiles, which is in the 1930s. Where it is very special is that these beautiful works of art have great craftsmanship, a great sense of proportion, details, and there are also a lot of sports tourers in the collection. So when they see it, they will be transported to a time where design was very pure. And that is the beginning of all of the modern era motor cars or F1, etc. And this is the first time that we are doing something like this. In fact, this is the first time it's happening anywhere in the world.
Not only cars, true Ahmedabadis love their two-wheelers as well, and the future at this unique museum will surely make it a point to include them.
This collection represents India's motoring heritage, whether it's in the form of cars or it's in the form of motorbikes. By motoring heritage, what we mean is that if any significant automobile has contributed to the motoring heritage of India, we would certainly like to have that in our collection. We will learn from this as to how to get the youth to connect better. And then we will have such screenings, but help build such mediums where the youth can connect to such films which help them appreciate the past.